If you need to request a refund from DoorDash due to a payment issue, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your order history. Step 2. Locate your order. Navigate to the Orders section of the app or website. Find the specific order for which you want to request a refund. This will typically be listed in your recent orders. Step 3. Select the order. Click on the order to view its details. Here, you will find options related to the order, including the status, items ordered, and payment information. Step 4. Request a refund. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, check your email or app notifications for confirmation from DoorDash. They will review your request and inform you of the outcome, typically within a few days. By following these steps, you can easily navigate the refund process with DoorDash. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.